Hello again, welcome to my channel. And I am here with a flip through of yet another one of the new Happy Girl Planner sticker books. And this is the Healthy Hero Classic. And it has 1,308 pieces. And let's jump right in. So these are cute. They have workout shirts. So you got the shirts with the little V on the back and then sports bras in various colors. Cute. You have your leggings in all the various colors. You can match the leggings and the pants and then throw the little gym bag. Look at the little gym bags. Those are so cute. And these are clear stickers. Okay. We have various running shoes. Look at this. Pink, orange, purple, yellow, teal, black, gray. Cute. Oh, water bottles with foil, guys. Look at this mustard. Yes, that's cute. Okay. We have free weights and dumbbells. Also very cute. If it is a weight training day, you can do that. Right? You know, nothing is like a thrown on a baseball cap when you have gym hair. Gym hair don't care. Put your baseball cap on and let's roll out. And then look at these cute little, I'm going to say they're Apple Watches because they remind me of my Apple Watch. So yeah, very cute. All right. These are heart trackers or heart rate trackers. And then these are vitamins. So these are clear stickers. Okay. And then here is a whole page of activities. So you can say if it's your yoga day, your gym day, your rest day, cardio, workout, walk, or if you're going to take some other type of class, you can put that in your planner. And these are the same, except they have gold foil. Okay. Then, of course, if you are going to be a healthy hero, you must track your food. So this has breakfast, lunch, and then these just say B for breakfast, L for lunch. And then here we have dinner and snack, and then D for dinner, S for snack, to track your food. Okay. Then we have these headers that are a little different, but it says cardio, walk, yoga, weights. Look at this. Eat well and cheat day, feel good, take out. Okay. And then we have some other ombre colored stickers that say cheat day, at the gym, rest day, goal. This says yay, feeling good, not my day, proud of me, worth it, keep it up, go me, progress. Nice. All right, look at these. These are just some square positive affirmations that, you know, you need definitely when working out. Let's see, Wellness Wednesday, no screen time before bed. Taco Tuesday, leave the junk food behind. Give yourself grace. Listen to your body. Meal prep, I love those. Go to bed early. No meat Monday. Drink more water. More H2O. Make healthy snacks. Meal prep. No fast food. And take stretch breaks. I like this. Find quiet time. So this is kind of like wellness and fitness. Drink more water again. No fast food. Compliment yourself. Meal prep again. Here we go. Same kind of stickers. All kind of in the same color scheme. No extra snacking. That one's new. And then we have meal prep there again. All right. These are a full box sticker. You are stronger than you think. Positive thinking. Positive outcome. Enjoy food today. Look at these little polka dots. Those are cute. It says, don't stop until you're proud. Soar today, strong tomorrow. Look at this beautiful, beautiful color scheme right there. I love this full box sticker with all the workout gear right there. And then it says, eat well, cheat day, feel good, take out. I love these. These are clear, but they have gold foil, and they're kind of remind me of those retro stickers, it has a retro look to me. So sore, sweat, smile, repeat, focus on you, day off, don't quit, you go girl, and cheat day. All right, of course, we have habit trackers. So whatever our goal is, because, and the days that you achieved the goal and how you felt about it. These are nice. I really like those. positive things to note, which is good. Sometimes when you're going through a rough time, it's hard to see the positive, and this right here will be something that you can just record and see it visually. Okay, we have some checklists in various colors, black, ombre colors, and greens and teals and pinks. I love these. I'm feeling motivated, so sore, lazy, loved, healthy, distracted. So there's several of those. And then these are just some circles here. Hooray, go me, get it done, yay. All right, so these are clear colored stickers and they're cute. They say workout, gym hair, don't care. That's cute. Okay, more clear stickers. Don't stop until you're proud. Put your heart into it. Be happy, active, and healthy. And of course, gold foil everywhere. Live life, forget your age. Stretch it out. No excuses. The best project you'll ever work on is you. Focus on you. Keep going. See, like these are, I want to work out right now. Let me stop playing. No, I don't. I'm so tired. But I like this, make healthy a habit. But these are very positive affirmations, and that was definitely my point. Okay, here are some more positive affirmations. These have gold foil. I just want to go home and nap. Be here, be now. Progress, not perfection. Be patient with yourself. Just breathe. All good advice. And this part I really like, because if you track your steps, floors, miles, calories, and minutes on your sport watches, then this will be pretty cool to put in your planner. So there's multiple colors and styles of those. And we have 2 pages. And then the last page is Miss Healthy Hero herself. Once again, she's clear. You can color her whatever skin tone of your choice or leave her as she is. This is a matte sticker, so that's how it differs from the girl line last year. Okay, guys, that is the flip through of our Healthy Hero. I didn't get the mini book because they did not have it. So that is one that I have to get. And I have to get the Miss Maker Classic and Mini, and then all of the multi-packs. So that's what I have left to get, and I'll be satisfied with all the those things from the Happy Planner Girl release. So I hope you guys are having success out in those planner streets, because you know sometimes it's hard and it can be discouraging. So just take your time. Know that it'll get to your store, and know that you'll get the opportunity to get the things that you're looking for. Okay, guys, I hope you have a wonderful and relaxing evening. Ciao, Bella.